Chiliz value kind of equivalent to $0.1080 a coin, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. The present exchanged cost range, 0.1050, 0.1156, which especially is genuinely huge. The earlier day close, 0.1104 in an essentially significant way. The change truly was 0.0024, 2.17%, or so they really thought. Converse rate, United States dollars to CHZ, which in every practical sense, is genuinely huge. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, Walk 13, cost $0.12, greatest 0.13, kind of least 0.11 incredibly. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, Walk 14, cost $0.11, especially greatest 0.12, especially least 0.10, in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, Walk 15, cost $0.10, sort of greatest 0.11, kind of least 0.09, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, Walk 16, cost $0.10, beautiful most extreme 0.11, exceptionally least 0.09 in an especially significant way. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, Walk 17, cost $0.10, genuinely greatest 0.11, especially least 0.09 in a fundamentally significant way. In multi-week Chiliz estimate on Monday, Walk 20, cost $0.10, essentially most extreme 0.11, least 0.09 in a truly significant way. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, Walk 21, cost $0.10, certainly greatest 0.11, least 0.09, which generally is genuinely critical. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, Walk 22, cost $0.10, all things considered, greatest 0.11, kind of least 0.09 in a significant way. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 23, cost $0.10, for the most part greatest 0.11, essentially least 0.09, which certainly is very critical. Chiliz estimate on Friday, Walk 24, cost $0.10, most extreme 0.11, really least 0.09, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. In about 14 days Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, Walk 27, cost $0.10 in every practical sense, most extreme 0.11 in every way that really matters, least 0.09, or so they especially thought. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, Walk 28, cost $0.10, really most extreme 0.11, all things considered, least 0.09. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, Walk 29, cost $0.10, certainly greatest 0.11, kind of least 0.09, which certainly is very huge. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, Walk 30, cost $0.10, truly greatest 0.11, genuinely least 0.09 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, Walk 31, cost $0.10, sort of greatest 0.11, kind of least 0.09, or so they really thought. In 3 weeks Chiliz gauge on Monday, April 3, cost $0.10, beautiful greatest 0.11, kind of least 0.09, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, April 4, cost $0.10, truly most extreme 0.11, beautiful least 0.09 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, April 5, cost $0.10, most certainly greatest 0.11, really least 0.09, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost $0.10, most certainly greatest 0.11, really least 0.09, which especially is very critical. Chiliz figure on Friday, April 7, cost $0.10, really most extreme 0.11, by and large least 0.09 in an unobtrusive manner. In about a month Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $0.10, sort of most extreme 0.11, essentially least 0.09 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, April 11, cost $0.10, greatest 0.11, extremely least 0.09, sort of additional appearance. How in multi-week Chiliz gauge on Monday. Walk 20. Cost $0.10. Truly greatest 0.11. Essentially least 0.09 amazingly. United States dollars to CHC conversion scale really equivalent to 9.2555 coins per $1. Showing that Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday. Walk 23. Cost $0.10. Kind of most extreme 0.11. Kind of least 0.09 in an especially huge manner. Today's reach, 8.6498 to 9.5229 in an unpretentious way. The past day's nearby, 9.0555 in a significant way. Change for now plus 0.2000. Plus 2.21% in a kind of significant way. United States dollars to CHC cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a sort of significant manner. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Monday, walk 13, cost 8.333 coins, all things considered, greatest 9.091, exceptionally least 7.692 in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to CHC expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 9.091 coins, by and large most extreme 10.000, really least 8.333, which truly is very huge. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 10.000 coins, lovely greatest 11.111, most certainly least 9.091. Fundamentally further appearance how Chiliz cost commonly equivalent to $0.1080 a coin, in an all things considered enormous way. United States dollars to CHC forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost 10.000 coins, genuinely most extreme 11.111, beautiful least 9.091 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Friday, walk 17, cost 10.000 coins, exceptionally most extreme 11.111, by and large least 9.091. In multi-week United States dollars to CHC expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost 10.000 coins, certainly most extreme 11.111, especially least 9.091, or so they sort of thought. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, walk 21, cost 10.000 coins, truly most extreme 11.111, certainly least 9.091, which in a real sense is very huge. United States dollars to CHC expectation on Wednesday, walk 22, cost 10.000 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 11.111, beautiful least 9.091, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Thursday, walk 23, cost 10.000 coins, truly greatest 11.111, by and large least 9.091, exhibiting how Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, April 6.